How to check hardware details on Android, including the processor, GPU, RAM, display, storage, and more. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store and search for DevCheck Device and System Info. Install the app from a trusted developer, then open it once the installation is complete. After opening the app, you'll see different sections containing detailed information about your phone. Tap the Hardware section. Here, you can check important hardware specifications, including your processor, CPU cores, CPU frequency, supported ABI, and chipset information. Scroll down, and you'll also find details about the GPU, display, RAM, internal storage, Bluetooth, audio hardware, and other system components. This is especially useful if you want to check your phone's specifications without looking up the model online. And that's it. You can now easily view detailed hardware information directly from your Android phone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple Android tips and how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.